Okay, we are recording. We're going to install the EGR valve. Exhaust gases come from the manifold here up through this tube, and depending on the vacuum and electronic control, the valve passes the gas. We have a bolt on this side. I'm removing. A stud on this side that I'm removing. This is the intake plenum. The gas comes from here, goes through there, as controlled by the valve. There's a Echelon 2561 gasket. It looks like this. It's a I guess a wafer type. You can tell this has two holes, and that's okay because I guess some of the Fords have two lines going to it. But this is how this works and fits. So I'm going to come here, stick on the bolt, the gasket, and then place in one side loosely, holding the gasket on the other side. I'm going to go through there, through the gasket. I'm going to screw this in, get it started. All right. That bolt is started. Come here. Start the connection on the EGR valve. Next step is to loosen this nut. Little. Okay, this is good and started. So I'm going to screw in these two bolts as soon as I find oh, this is a 1/2 inch, by the way. I did make sure this was good and tight back there on the intake, and I also had to adjust it. It was a little over there. I pulled it so it would be in the direction that it tightens. So hopefully that's seated, will not be a problem. Okay, that's seated. This is seated. Grab the ratchet. That's getting a little tight, but you can still spin it by hand, just so you know. Okay. I like that torque. I like that torque. So the next thing that is left is to grab this is a 1-inch. I need 1 1/16 inch wrench. Smoothly going on. There we go. There you have it. Now I'm going to hook in other hardware here next.